Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You're signed in, so start by searching smartly. Type :image and a keyword, then filter by date to narrow results quickly. Once done, switch to trash. Items there are recoverable for 30 days, so look carefully. Also open Google Photos and check its bins separately because photos may be stored there instead of Drive. Make sure to check any backup folders and the account's linked devices. Differences in accounts often explain missing photos, so verify email and phone backup settings now. Once you find target images, select them and use Restore to return them to their original folder. This preserves timestamps and sharing. If trash is empty, check Drive's Backups folder and the Shared With Me section. Shared albums sometimes hide photos. Next, inspect any device backups on Android or iOS, because automatic phone backups can store duplicates. If recovery still fails, prepare to request an export via Google Takeout for account-wide retrieval. This consolidates files, so you can search. After restoring, move photos into a clear, organized Photos folder and immediately download a copy to local storage or an external drive to prevent future loss. Then re-enable and test your device backups so new photos appear in Drive and Photos reliably. If something goes wrong, verify you're in the correct Google account, confirm trash retention hasn't expired, and search with broader keywords. If recovery still fails, escalate by contacting Google support from your account. Provide timestamps and file names to speed resolution.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.